New turntable from Technica is the LP3XBT BK, big name. So it's this one, black finish, plastic chassis, Bluetooth. Here I can see the plate is this one, Technica cartridge, two selections to size to select 7-inch and 12-inch. The tone arm, this one. It's automatic, as you can see, automatic. Dust cover. On the back we can see RCA ground and 12 volts input, phono and line built in. So this is the AT-LP3X turntable from Technica, automatic one. Start, stop, start here, you know. Okay. So we have to lower down this. Up. So here is the mat. It's thick. The platter is aluminum. The belt, we can see the belt there. It's automatic underneath, as you can see.
Hi, how are you doing?
We put the mat on it. Technica.
Yeah.
And the LP if we like, but we don't like to put it because it's very sensitive.
Oh, okay.
The tone arm is aluminum.
Yes, so it's with the HS3.
So it's automatic, as you can see.
Yes, it's semi-automatic.
Semi-automatic, not fully.
Once you press the start button, it will bring over the tone arm to the position, and then you take the cantilever back down.
So we press start, we press stop.
Yeah.
We select the size of the LP of the vinyl.
Yes.
It's plastic chassis. How much is this?
So this one is, I'll just tell you right now, it's not very good for me. This one is £280 or €329.
329 euros.
€320, yeah. So this is the new one. So this is based on the LP3 turntable that is already out, but now brings the Bluetooth model to the range. So it's all this is pretty much the same spec as the AT-LP3, but it's now got this nice bit on the front with the logo as well.